Hello students, in today's video we shall see how to find the area of the triangle by using determinants. Okay, so in previous class we have studied that the area of a triangle whose vertices are x1 y1, x2 y2 and x3 y3 is given by this expression. Already this you have studied in 10th and 11th class. Half into bracket x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. This is the area of the triangle with three vertices. Now this expression can be written in the form of determinant as area of triangle ABC equals to determinant half into delta equals to half into determinant of x1 y1 1, x2 y2 1, x3 y3 1. You see this x1 into this y2 minus y3, x1 into y2 minus y3, half is there. Then it is minus y1 into, it will be I am expanding this along this column 1. So minus x2 into what you get, y1 minus y3, but I have taken here y3 minus y. I am taking minus common, so minus minus it becomes plus x3 into this y1 minus y2, y1 minus y2. One thing you remember here, since area is always positive quantity, we always take the absolute value of the determinant. This you have to take positive values. Okay, now this is the formula to find the area of the triangle using this determinant. Okay, now let us find the area of the triangle if the vertices are given. Question: find the area of the triangle. Find the area of the triangle with vertices at the points given number 1 0 6 0 and 4 3. Okay, I am taking second example 2 7 1 1 and 10 8. Okay, so let us solve this first example. Solution: here three vertices of a triangle R 1 0. Okay, so this is your x1 y1, then 6 0, this is your x2 y2, then 4 3, this is your x3 and y3. Okay, so therefore area of triangle that is delta equals to half into, so x1 y1, so write 1 0, x2 y2 is 6 0. Okay, then this is x3 y3, that is 4 3, and right here 1 1 1. Okay, so this is equals to half into bracket this 1 into 0 into 1 0 minus 3 0 minus 3 minus 0 into it will become, this will be 0 plus 1 into this is 18 1 into this 6 into 3 18 minus 4, 18 minus 4. Okay, no, sorry, it becomes 0. 18, 4 into 0 is 0. So half into bracket, this is minus 3, this is 0, and this is plus 18. Plus 18. That is half into, this is 15. So this is 15 by 2 square unit. 15 by 2 square unit. Okay. Now similarly, in second example, we have 2, 7. This is your x1, y1. Then 1, 1. This is x2, y2, and 10, 8. This is your x3 and y3. Therefore, area of triangle equals to half into determinant 2, 7, write 1, 1, 1, 1, then 10, 8, 10, 8 and 1. Okay, you can apply here the property also to bring number of zeros. Okay, or you can directly expand also. So half into this 2 into this 2 into this is 1 minus 8 minus 7 into so 1 minus 10, then plus 1 into this 8 minus 10. So this is half into bracket, this is minus 7 into 2 minus 14, then minus 9 into minus 7 plus 63. This is minus 2, that is half into bracket, this is 63, then minus 14 minus 16, minus 14 and minus 2, that is minus 16. So that is equals to half into, it becomes 43, 47 I think, 47. So that is equals to 47 by 2 square unit. So the area of this triangle whose vertices are 2, 7, 1, 1 and 10, 8 is 47 by 2, that is 23.5 square unit. Okay, so students, you in this way you can find the area of the triangle if vertices are given. Okay, now take another example. Take another. Show that the points capital A, B plus C, then vertex B is B, C plus A, vertex C is C, A plus B are collinear. Students, you know that if the area of the triangle is 0, it means all 3 points, that is all 3 vertices of the triangle are collinear. So to show these 3 vertices are collinear, we have to show that the area of this triangle is 0. So solution. The vertices of triangle ABC are the vertices of triangle ABC are capital A, B plus C, capital B, C plus A, capital C, A plus B. Okay, so this is x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. So let us find the area of this triangle. Therefore, area of this triangle, that is ABC, this is equals to half into x1 y1 1, just write in the formula x3 y3 1. Okay, that is half into what is x1 y1. So this is A, B plus C 1, then B, C plus A 1, C, A plus B, this is 1. Okay, now I am operating here, adding this A plus B plus C, B plus C plus A, C plus A plus B, C1 and C2. Okay, so applying write C1 as C1 plus C2, this is equals to half into, this is A plus B plus C, C1 plus C2, this is C1 plus C2, then this will be A plus B plus C, A plus B plus C, remaining as it is B plus C, C plus A plus B, 1 1 1. Now I can take this A plus B plus C as common, so this is half into bracket A plus B plus C into determinant 1 1 1 and B plus C, C plus A plus B, 1 1 1. Students, you know that if any two rows or any two columns in the determinants are identical, then the value of the determinant becomes 0. So therefore this is multiplied by 0 means 0. As the area of this triangle is 0, therefore we can say that these three vertices are collinear. Okay. Now take another example. Find the value of K. Example. Find the value of K. If area of triangle is, if area of triangle is 4 square units. 4 square units. Okay, and vertices are K0, 4, 0 and 0, 2. Now here the three vertices of a triangle are given, but here it is K. So what should be the value of this K so that the area of the triangle become 4 square units? So okay, so we will find the area of the triangle by using the determinant and make it equals to 4 because the area is 4. Okay, so number 1, area of triangle with vertices K0, 4, 0 and 0, 2 is given by delta equals to half into, you can write area or delta, half equals to formula x1 y1 1, x2 y2 1, x3 y3 1. This is our formula. So put the values of x1 y1, this is k 0 then 1, x2 y2 4 0 1, x3 y3 0 2 1. Okay, so expanding with the elements of second column, because here I am getting 0 0, so I am expanding this determinant along C2. So expanding along C2, expanding along C2. So this is equals to half into this 0 into you will get 0, 0 into you will get 0, this 2 into you will get this 2, 2 into bracket this 2, leave this row and this column, so you will get determinant, here is k1 and 4 1, so that is half into, this is 2 into bracket k minus 4, the 2 to get cancelled here, so that is k minus 4. This is the area of the triangle, but area of the triangle is given as 4 square unit, but area of the triangle is 4 square unit. Okay, therefore this k minus 4 equals to, the value of the determinant may be plus or minus also, so you take here plus or minus 4, because we have to find the value of k. This k may be negative or positive, the area is always positive, but to find this value of k we should take this area as plus minus 4. So therefore k minus 4 equals to plus 4 or k minus 4 equal to minus 4. Okay, so here k equals to 8, k equals to 0. Therefore the value of the k should be 0 or 8, so that area of the given triangle becomes 4 square unit. Okay, then take another example. Find the equation of the line. Find the equation of the line. You have to find the equation of the line also. Find the equation of the line. Find the equation of the line joining 1 2 and 3 6 using determinants. Now you have here a line. Suppose A is 1 2 and B is 3 6. Okay, since this is a line, I am taking here any arbitrary point. Suppose this is any point P, suppose whose coordinates are suppose x1 y1 for example. Now here or you can take x1 y1 here also. Here as this is a line, AB is a line, therefore the area of this line will be 0. Area will be 0 because all these 3 points are collinear. I have taken this point P on AB, therefore APB are collinear. So to find the equation of the line joining the points 1 2 and 3 6, so let x1 y1 be the point, or you can take simply xy, x and y, simply xy, because I have to write the equation in terms of x and y. So let xy be the third point. Be the third point. Third point on the line. On the line joining this 1, 2 and 3, 6. Okay, therefore the area of triangle with vertices this xy, then 1, 2 and 3, 6 will be 0. Since all these 3 points are collinear. Okay, therefore make the area equals to 0. Therefore area of triangle equals to half into x, y, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 6, 1. Okay, and this is equals to 0. Area equals to 0 because these 3 points are collinear. So this is half into, I am writing here, x into bracket, this is 2 minus 6 minus y into 1 minus 3 plus 1 into 6 minus 6, that is 0. So this is equals to 0. So half into bracket, this is minus 4, so minus 4x, this is minus 2 and multiplied by minus 1, so plus 2y, and then this is 0 plus 0, this is equals to 0. So transfer this 2 to this right hand side, we get this imply minus 4x plus 2y equal to 0. Dividing by 2, minus 2x plus y equal to 0. So minus 2x, or we can multiplying by minus, so 2x minus y equal to 0. 2x minus y equal to 0 is the equation of this line joining the points 1, 2 and 3, 6. Okay. Then one more example. Find the area of the triangle if the example, if the area of triangle is 35 square unit. Now area is given here with vertices 2 minus 6, 5, 4 and k4 then k is here options are given. A is 12, B option is minus 2, C option is minus 12 minus 2 and D option is 12 minus 2. So let us find the area here. Here solution, area of triangle with vertices 2 minus 6, 5, 4 and k4 is 35 square unit. Okay, we have to find the value of k here. Therefore half into area, that is 2 minus 6 1 5 4 1 k 4 1, and this is equals to, this value may be plus minus, but area is taken as positive. So but to find the value of k, this may be plus or minus, so you take plus minus 35 here. Okay, now solve this. So we get, this implies half into this 2 into determinant, leave this row and this column, so 4 1 4 1, then minus of minus 6, that is plus 6 means 5 1 k 1, then plus 1 into 5 4 k 4. Okay, this is equals to plus minus 35. This implies half into this 2 into 4 minus 4, this 4 minus 4, then plus 6 into this 5 minus k plus 1 into this 20 minus 4k equals to plus minus 35. So this implies half into bracket, this becomes 0, 4 minus 4 0, this is 6 into 5 minus k, plus this is 1 into means plus 20 minus 4k plus minus 35, which implies half into 30, 6 5 is 30 minus 6k plus 20 minus 4k equal to plus minus 35. This implies half into bracket 30 plus 20, that is 50, then minus 6 and minus 4, then minus 10k, that is equal to plus minus 35. So taking 2 as common, so that 2 will get cancelled, that is 25 minus 5k equals to plus minus 35. Okay, so once you take here 25 minus 5k equals to plus 35, and 25 minus 5k equal to minus 35. So this implies this is minus 5k equal to this, or you can write 5k equal to minus 10, 5k equal to minus 10, and here 5k equals to 60 here. This minus 5k to this right hand side, plus 5k minus 35 become plus 35, so that is 60. Therefore k equals to minus 2, and k equal to 6, sorry, it is 12, k equal to 12. So minus 2 and 12 is the correct answer. 12 and minus 2, here it is 12 and minus 2, 12 and minus 2. So this is the correct answer. Okay student, thank you.